I'm showing you the disassembly and reassembly for a door handle on a New Holland L series skid loader. L334 is what this one came off of. Door broke and I'm replacing it with a 1/2 inch thick polycarbonate door from Forestry doors. The first thing you need to do is to remove a shield that is on the inside of the door facing you when you would be sitting. They have these little buttons that go in to hold the shield on. They just pop in, they don't screw in. So what you do is you take 2 screwdrivers and you just get them underneath. You get them underneath the sides and just pop them off. Once you get those off, the shield comes off, and that shield then exposes the bolts. The next series of bolts you need to remove. Those bolts, there's 3 bolts. There's one right here, here, and here. You need a T30 Torx to remove those. The replacement bolts are these replacement bolts with a 4mm hex head, and that's what you'll do to replace. There's also one more bolt in this reassembly process, and this is a square-headed bolt, and you have to measure, I'm going to try to get this so you can see it, 1/2 inch from the top of this to that part. That needs to be exactly 1/2 inch when you tighten it. So make sure you have a good measurement on that. And this goes into the actual handle, goes into the handle after you get it taken off. So that's the basics of getting this handle apart, and just reverse the procedure to get it back together again. Good luck on your door reinstall.